Good morning everyone. Today in English, let's continue with our chapter, My Dear Lamb. So hope you all have read the chapter 2 times. So in the story, we learned how the intelligence of the old woman saved her life from the thief. Now let's move on to our exercises. You can open your text, page number 82. So first, we have the reading comprehension. Let's look at the questions. A. Tick the correct option to complete each sentence. And what's the first question? The old woman was, the options are poor and intelligent, rich and stupid, hungry, rich and intelligent. So find out the answer and tick the correct option. The second question, the thief hid near the lamp, near the door, behind the curtain, near the spinning wheel. Third question, when the old woman saw the thief, she started shouting, thought of an idea, began talking to him, ran out of the cottage. And the fourth question, the old woman saved her money and life by thinking fast, beating the thief, shouting for help, giving the thief food to eat. So pause the video, tick the correct options, and once you have done, you can come back. So hope you have done it. Now let's check our answers. The first question, the old woman was rich and intelligent. So the fourth option, you can tick that. The second one, the thief hid near the lamp, near the door, behind the curtain, near the spinning wheel. So where did the thief hide? The thief hid behind the curtain. So you can tick that option. The third question, when the old woman saw the thief, she started shouting, thought of an idea, began talking to him, ran out of the cottage. So what did the old woman do? She thought of an idea. And the fourth one, the old woman saved her money and life by thinking fast, beating the thief, shouting for help, giving the thief food to eat. So how did she save her life and money? By thinking fast. So tick that option. Now let's move on to answer these questions. So you can write down the question answers in your notebook. The first question, what did the old woman do after eating food? So what did the old woman do after eating food? What's the answer? After eating food, the old woman would spin cotton on her spinning wheel. So write this answer. Moving on to our second question. What idea came to the old woman's mind? And what's the answer? The old woman thought of talking to her lamp to fool the thief. Third question, why did the thief think that the lamp was special? And the answer, when the old woman started talking to the lamp, the thief thought it must be a special lamp. Fourth question, how did the neighbors come to know that the old woman was in trouble? So how did the neighbors come to know? Look at the answer. When the old woman shouted for help while telling the story, the neighbors came to know that she was in trouble. Next, you have a think and answer. And now look at the question. Imagine you are the old woman. What would you do to catch the thief? So imagine that you are this old woman and a thief entered your house and hid behind the curtain. So what would you do to escape from this thief? You can think and write the answer in your notebook. Let's move on to our grammar part. Today we have using is, am or are. So let's learn the usage of is, am and are. So these words is, am, are, they are helping verbs and they are also called the auxiliary verbs. These words is, am or are used in the present tense. Now let's learn the usage of each of this. Is used with one person, thing or an animal, and it's used with pronouns like he, she, it, they. So when we use is, we refer to one person or a thing or animal. So when we use the pronouns he, she, it, this, that, we have to use the auxiliary verb or helping verb is. So we read it, he is, she is, it is, this is, that is. Let's look at some of the sentences using is. He is a good boy. So here when the word he is used, we have to use the auxiliary verb is. So we say he is a good boy. She is playing. The book is on the table. Here we are referring to only one book. So we can say the book is on the table. So it's a singular noun. The cat is drinking milk. Now look at the noun cat. It's a singular noun. So we can use the auxiliary verb is. So we can say the cat is drinking milk. It is a table. So we are talking about only one table. So we can use the auxiliary verb is. It is a table. This is a pencil. Here you can see it is only one pencil. So it's a singular noun. So we can use this is a pencil. And look at the word this, and with the pronoun this, we use the auxiliary verb or helping verb is. So this is a pencil. Now let's learn the usage of am. Am is used with the pronoun I. So what is a pronoun? We have learned pronoun in our earlier classes. Pronouns are words that are used in the place of nouns, or it's used instead of nouns. So am is used only with the word I. We say I am. We can't say I is. So with the word I, we have to use the helping verb am. Let's look at some of the sentences. I am a boy. You can't say I is a boy. We have to say I am a boy. I am a girl. I am reading. I am playing. So these are the sentences using am. Now let's learn the usage of are. Are is used with two or more people or with plural nouns and with pronouns you, we, they, these, those. We have to use the helping verb are. So with the words you, we, they, these, those, the word are is used. So we say you are. With the word you, we have to use the helping verb are. That is, when we refer to plural also, we have to use are. We are. We means a group of people. So we are, they are, these are, those are. Let's look at some of the sentences using are. You are my best friend. So look at the word you. When you is used, we have to use the helping verb are. You can't say you is my best friend. We have to use you are my best friend. We are going. So look at the word we. It's a plural word. So we have to use the helping verb are. We are going. Lion and tiger are wild animals. Now look at this sentence here. Two animals are referred. So we have to use are. You can't say lion and tiger is wild animals. Why? Because in this sentence, two animals are referred. So lion and tiger are wild animals. These are apples. Now look, apple. It is not apple. It is a plural noun, apples. So we have to use are. These are apples. Now look at the next sentence. These are flowers. Now look at the word flower. It's not referred to as a singular noun. It is a plural noun. Flowers. So the word are is used. So these are flowers. So these are some of the sentences using are. So hope you understood how to use is, am and are. The words is, am and are tells us about something or someone. Now let's move on to our exercise part. Page 83. Let's look at the exercises. We have fill in the blanks with is, am or are. So we have to fill these sentences using the verbs is, am or are. So let's look at the sentences. The first sentence, Sarah dash a teacher. So here it is only a singular person. So which verb should we use there? Is it is, am or are? Think and write it. Second one, Monica and Rahul dash friends. You can see here two people are referred to. So which verb should come there? Third one, my grandfather dash very old. So it's referred to a grandfather. It's a singular person. The fourth question, these mangoes dash very tasty. You can see the plural of mango there. So the mangoes dash very tasty. Fifth one, I dash a good student. So with the word I, which verb should be used? Pause the video and write the answers. Hope you have done with. Now let's check the answers. First sentence, Sarah dash a teacher. We have to use the helping verb is. Sarah is a teacher. Second one, Monica and Rahul are friends. You can see the two persons are referred to, Monica and Rahul. So we have to use the helping verb are. Third, my grandfather is very old. So here it's only grandfather, a singular noun. So we need to use is. Fourth one, these mangoes dash very tasty. These mangoes are very tasty because the plural of mango is used there. Fourth one, I am a good student. With the pronoun I, we have to use the helping verb am. So with this, we finish today's class. We'll be meeting in the next class. Till then, thank you.